YouTube is one of the best things that has happened to those who want to learn, grow and educate themselves. But along with these good things, some bad things are also there. One of the important drawbacks of YouTube is too many channels, therefore too many choices and too much confusion. I know many students who watch too many YouTube channels on English communication and they're completely confused which method to follow. In this video, I'll tell you the best solution for this problem. Come on, let's start. Dear friends, what happens is English communication soft skill. On this particular topic, there are hundreds of channels. Some are Indian channels, some are international foreign channels. And due to the too many choices, students get confused. Now, another problem is every teacher on a channel has a different strategy, different method. Students get confused. And what I know some of the students who are following many channels, many methods, and they don't stick with any particular channel and they get confused. That's not going to help you out. Friends, understand one thing. Here, the most important thing is direction. Once you get the right direction, speed is not important. You should run a marathon, not a sprint. To develop English communication, to develop confidence, you must get the right direction, the right methods in which you should go. And here is the problem. Students jump from one channel to another channel, and therefore they change the methods. Therefore, no consistency and hence no results. In my channel, I have particular strategies, particular methods which I never change. I'm not saying that watch only my channel, whichever channel you watch, but stick with that channel. But before sticking, be sure that the method what the teacher of the channel is telling you are right and they are taking you in the right direction. Otherwise, no problem. See, what happens is, I have seen many students, they tell me that, sir, I'm following YouTube, I'm trying to work on myself since last 6 months, but no results. And what happens is, once they open a YouTube, there are many channels which come there, which pop up, and you keep on following every tip, it's not going to work. Stick with one channel, one teacher to get the best results. Alright friends, hope you like my video. Well, I'm on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Follow me there also. You will get better tips about English communication, confidence, interviews, group discussions, and emotional personality. That will help you a lot in your education as well as in your professional life also. One more thing, please subscribe my channel, give a like. I'm sure you will get more beneficial videos in future. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.